Maushmi, talk to us a little about the Congress's campaign today. It's the last day of campaign in the state of Maharashtra. Priyanka Gandhi also, I understand, is in Maharashtra today. What more can you tell us?
So clearly, the Congress is trying to up the ante, and this is a battle of prestige, Sneha, because having lost the Haryana battle, the Congress has a lot to prove as far as, keeping the momentum of what it gained in the Lok Sabha is concerned. And that's the reason that we've seen the top brass of the Congress party, campaigning extensively. Priyanka Gandhi, after she closed the Wayanad campaign, pitched in with Rahul Gandhi and Kharge campaigning day in and day out. So clearly the Congress wants to make sure that they can pitch a united fight along with the NCP, Sharad Pawar and the Uddhav Thackeray faction of the Shiv Sena to in fact give a formidable fight to the Mahayuti.
Here, this is criticism that has come in from Rahul Gandhi as far as the slogan is concerned. Maushmi Singh getting in those details. Once again, listening to what Rahul Gandhi said, mocking the slogan, "Ek hai to safe hai."
जमीन की बात है, मैंग्रोव्स की बात है, मुंबई की फ्लडिंग की बात है, तो ये सिंपल चीज नहीं है कि भाई सिर्फ धारावी जा रहा है। ये बड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड डिसीजन है और हम चाहते हैं कि जो धारावी के स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं और मुंबई की जनता का इसका फायदा हो। तो जो भी होगा स्टेक होल्डर्स से पूछकर, स्टेक होल्डर्स के पार्टिसिपेशन के साथ होगा। एक व्यक्ति के लिए सारे रूल्स तोड़कर नहीं होगा।
राजू सोनवने, एबीपी माझा।
नहीं, मैंने आपको लिस्ट पढ़ के दी है। 8 प्रोजेक्ट्स मैंने आपको डिटेल करके दिए हैं, क्योंकि बीजेपी ने बात बोली है मेरे बारे में कि कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स की बात कर रहा हूं। तो ये हैं प्रोजेक्ट्स, लिस्ट हैं। इन प्रोजेक्ट्स को आप देख लीजिए, आप स्टडी कर लीजिए। ये सारे के सारे महाराष्ट्र में आने थे, ये सारे के सारे गुजरात गए हैं। ये फैक्ट है। और ये हर महाराष्ट्र के युवा को मालूम होना चाहिए कि आपकी जमीन अदानी जी को दी जा रही है, आपका फ्यूचर अदानी जी को दिया जा रहा है। और यहां पे जो 8 प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, जो पूरे महाराष्ट्र के युवाओं के फ्यूचर के प्रोजेक्ट्स थे, वो सब छीन कर आपसे दूसरे स्टेट में चले गए।
राहुल जी, अक्षय, एक सेकंड, ऐसा राहुल जी ऐसे नहीं।
All right, Shiv Sena leader Krishna Hegde is now joining us. Thank you for your time. Your response to what Rahul Gandhi has just said about "Ek hai to safe hai" and this turning the slogan round its head, talking about the fact that Adani is safe because of the collusion with the BJP, because of the collusion with the Prime Minister.
See, Mr. Adani is one of the foremost industrialists, not only in India but in the world. And India should be proud that we have industrialists of that level, whether it is Gautam Adani ji or Mukesh Ambani ji. And I think Rahul Gandhi has got an allergy to corporates, and therefore none of the corporates back him. As you see, even before 2014, lot of FIRs were lodged on corporates. And then he goes on to say that, the corporates are, not supporting the states where Congress is ruling. How can anyone support you when you are always against them, and creating an unstable environment? Secondly, when he says safe hai, and he's pointing to bank lockers, I think he's maybe remembering his own money in Swiss bank accounts. And therefore, every time we are talking about Suraksha of the people, which is keeping people safe, Rahul Gandhi is talking about money. I think his, entire priority has gone very wrong. Rahul Gandhi ji needs to focus. This is Maharashtra. This is a state of Phule Shahu Ambedkar. This is a state of great leaders. First, Rahul Gandhi should appreciate Swatantraveer Savarkar ji before coming to Maharashtra, which he has still not done. He should apologize before Maharashtra and the nation.
All right. Krishna Hegde, I'm going to leave it at that. Thanking you for the moment, for joining in with your views on that. Krishna Hegde there. of the Shiv Sena, saying that this was not warranted, and that's the reason why corporates and businesses will not be backing the Congress party. This is an insult, says the Shiv Sena. Mausmi continues to be with us. Mausmi, we've seen this narrative time and again, not once but on several occasions, even Lok Sabha elections and state assembly elections in other states as well. It's been Rahul Gandhi at the forefront of being critical about the relationship between the Prime Minister, Adani, Ambani, and the fact that, the fact that they are close and that they benefit. But this has always not always paid rich dividends to the Congress as far as electoral politics is concerned, isn't it?
Right, Sneha, this is very much a part of Rahul Gandhi's politics, despite the fact that he might not get electoral dividends. He's usually harped on certain issues like attacking Savarkar in Maharashtra during his Bharat Jodo Yatra, that even miffed his allies at that point of time when he was taking out the Bharat Jodo Yatra 1.0. So clearly here, Rahul Gandhi, in fact, it was very interesting that in response to a journalist question that on the slogan of batenge to katenge, he again went back to ek hai to safe hai, and in fact showed the locker and Adani and the Dharavi map. So clearly this time round the Congress is harping on the pride of Maharashtra, talking about how business tycoons from outside Maharashtra are trying to usurp the rights of the Mumbaikars, and in fact Dharavi is in fact a testimony of how the Prime Minister and Adani are combining force to in fact alter the welfare of the people. That's the attack that the Congress has stuck to. One will have to wait and see whether this time round it gives them some electoral gains or not. But Rahul Gandhi there making a very pointed attack and making the battle about Rahul Gandhi versus Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Right, Mausmi, I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting us those details and putting that story into perspective. It's got to do with these comments that have been made by Rahul Gandhi in the context of Adani and his proximity to the Prime Minister, and has turned the slogan "Ek hai to safe hai" slogan around its head.